Hello everyone, today we're going to work together on how to get the best eyeshadow on. If you're ready, let's start. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to apply eyeshadow perfectly, starting with using cleanser to wipe the oil on the eyelid. Step 1. Cleanse your eyelids. Begin by thoroughly cleansing your eyelids to remove any oil or residue. This will help your eyeshadow adhere better and create a smoother canvas for application. You can use a gentle cleanser or makeup remover on a cotton pad to wipe your eyelids clean. Be sure to let your eyelids dry completely before proceeding to the next step. Step 2. Prime your eyelid.